or no? All right then. So since we should start getting ready for class now, we're just gonna start. Now, I have like a lot to talk about today, so just keep in mind that there's a lot to go over. So I guess we'll just go down the list then. So first of all, since this is Java 2 and all, and we're gonna be using the official Java, or more like the actual Java application. So this is why I have this here. So I go to this page because I wrote like a instructions list of how to like download Java so that you can have like a list to go through when you're going through. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. And of course, I'll give you the email later. But this is like an instructions page that has all the information of how to download it. So be sure to go here if you haven't downloaded Java yet to download Java, since it's really important for coming lessons. And you'll need it if you're going to do Java 2. So be sure to do this. Which brings me to the next thing. So this is the Java 2 links page. If you were ever coming from Java 1, then you know that I communicate during using like a links page mainly. So I post all the links of the lessons here and the homework answers, class problems, test material, other videos, and other stuff like this. So in here, in the important Java links page, you can, Java links, section, you can see I have attached this Java downloading information, so you can easily access this to this link. And the syllabus is also here if you ever want to see what I'm teaching. So that's there as well. So again, I'll like share this link as well later in the email list. That's about it for this page. I'll be updating this as we go through the course. So just keep an eye on this. I'll always tell you if I update new things, mostly. So you don't really need to have to keep an eye strictly on this since I'll be notifying you, but it's always good to look at it if you want. Next thing. So this is like a homework completion list. And what this is that since I want to like have bonus points so that you don't, it's just fun to do it, right? So how this works is that since there's 10 classes for each course, so they're max total of 10 bonus points. So how you get these bonus points is that for each homework you complete on time, then you get 1 bonus point. And I'll keep track of it here. I'll put your names on here and then keep track of it. And however many bonus points you have at the end of the course, then I'll add it to your final test score. And if you didn't know this, there's like final test at the end of this course just to test whether or not you get the stuff that I taught. So the points will be added to your final score, and that will definitely help your test score if you do it. So the deadline for homework each week is Friday. So Friday, 11:59 p.m. if you want. So I suggest you do it beforehand so you have enough time to like, actually, wait a second. Sorry. Homework is due on Saturday since originally on usual classes, it's usually due on Fridays. So if you ever want to do it Java still, then it'll be due on Fridays. But since it's summer and there's different classes, it's going to be due on Saturday. And then also on Saturday, I have a tutoring session, and that'll run from 5 to 6. So if you have any questions, if you don't understand any of the content, then you can go there and then I can answer your questions. Also, if you missed a lesson and you want some like personal tutoring kind of thing, and then I can also help you with that. Let's see. I think that's about it. So right now, though, I would like it if you guys would either tell me your names out loud or you can like write it in the chat and I can put it on the list later. Yeah, that's about it for this. So I think pretty much about it. Also, I forgot to mention this. So today we had a issue of timing for Java 2, and mainly what that was that, okay, so mainly what that is that, so some people who are going to do Java 2, they can't make this original time slot, and, sorry. So what that means is that some of these people can't come. And so what I'm thinking and what my dad is thinking is that we switch to time if everybody is okay with it. And the new time would be Mondays and Wednesdays from 5 to 6. And you can, like, if you mind saying it out loud, then you can write it in the chat if you want. But that's the new time, and tell me if you're okay with it or if you can't do it, so that I know who can or can't do it. And if we can't do it, then I'll split into 2 classes. And so yeah. So original time would be this time right now. So Tuesdays and Thursdays from this time, 5 to 6. But the new time, if you can do it, would be Mondays and Wednesdays from 5 to 6. So just like tell your parents and like consider it and that kind of stuff, just to see whether or not you can do it. Since it'd be better if everybody can be together so you can like talk about problems and like work out solutions and that kind of stuff. It's good to meet new people. I think that's about it for all the house cleaning stuff. So mainly what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be doing a review. And what this is going to be is basically just a review of Java 1 concepts. So since I don't want to like go in without really reviewing, since you might forget some stuff, this is just like a list of problems. And for Java 1 students last trimester, you might notice that it looks very similar to the one that you did at the end of last course. And that's because I took it and rewrote some of the questions and kept some of the questions the same. So what this means is that you can't go back to that other document that you wrote, okay? So don't go back to the other document that you wrote and don't look at your notes. Well, try not to look at your notes at least. And yeah, I just want you to try this to review. And this is to like review over everything so that you're ready when we start actually learning next lesson. So yeah, I'll post this on like the links page. And I know that I don't have your emails yet, so I might have to get your emails right now. So give me a sec. Okay, anyways, for those of you that just came in or recently came in, just look at the video that I post on YouTube later to catch up on what I said. I'm not gonna go back through what I said just since I don't want to waste time. Yeah. So like I said, I have to get emails right now, so I'm just gonna pause the recording for now since I don't want your private emails to be on the internet. Okay, so yeah, so this is just the review for this week, and like last time, we're just gonna be doing this review, and it's a review of all the concepts of Java 1, just so that you're familiar to go on, familiar enough with the past concepts to go on with this course's concepts. And so just make sure to do it. And I'll just scroll through the questions so that you can get a chance to see all of it. And if you need more time to do it, since I might be scrolling too fast, then you can pause the video and do it. But yeah. Again, it's just short, but it's really important that you do this so that you're familiar with all the concepts. So otherwise, that would be about it for this lesson. I'll be posting the review answers next week after I go through them. So yeah, otherwise that's about it.